it looks rough right now. But these are like medium braids. So I don't know if I'm gonna do medium braids again. I don't know, but we'll see. I got the same pack that I got before, and I'll show you guys later what I got and all the details that I do as far as prepping, installing, all that jazz. Right now, we just taking them out. So yeah, come chill with me while we take out these braids. But anyways, yeah, come chill with me while we take our braids out. Cause that's what we finna do. We about to take them out. And my lips, child, I ain't gonna cap y'all. I be rewatching my videos and none of y'all be telling me that my lips be chapped. And I'm gonna appreciate that. Let me go put some chapstick on. Like, there be a lot of times where I'm just gonna look like who did it and why, but ain't no excuse for coming on here with chapped lips. So yeah, I had to fix that real quick. Since I did these braids myself, it should be easy, right? Yeah, facts. But there are braids like this where I legit tuck the heck out of my hair, and I love that for me. But like, I don't even know where to cut. Like, there is nothing, there's like literally none of my hair is coming out of this braid. So I don't even know where my hair stops because I'm in that awkward stage. Ah, child, I'm gonna just cut it. And the thing about it is this braiding hair is pretty much the same color as my natural hair. So it kind of makes it worse, low-key, because it's like the same color as my natural hair. This is where my hair is. Are you kidding me? Wow, I could have cut off way more hair. That is crazy. Clay and put it on my hair because why not? It really just helps with bringing the curls back. I'll be back when my whole head is covered in this bentonite clay. I've never put this on my face because, like I said, I got sensitive skin, but I don't know, I might try it one day. I might try it. But for now, it goes on the hair. Okay guys, so this is the end. This is the after effect of me putting on this clay mask. As you can see, my hair has grown a lot since probably the last time you see me with my hair out when I was doing the blow drying method. I don't know, but yeah. Definitely since July, it has grown a lot. Now that I am taking care of my hair, I'm not letting somebody else take care of it, but I do need a trim. So hopefully I'll get that this weekend. I don't even want to say when the last time I had a trim, but just know I need a trim. So I'm going to wait 20 to 30 minutes tops. Then I'm about to hop in the shower, rinse this thing out, and hopefully, I mean, you guys can see the curls now a little bit, but hopefully then you'll really see the curls come to life and pop. Alright y'all, so this is after the bentonite clay. How curly and defined those curls are, how thick and just healthy my hair is. You love that for me. Love that for me. I told y'all to wait. But yeah, so I'm actually gonna go wash my hair because, child, it just, after that I was just like, there's no point in me going this far and just not washing my hair. So I'm gonna go wash my hair, and yeah, I will be back with my hair clean finally, and then we're gonna get ready for bed. It's so curly and whatnot. I'm probably just going to wear it out curly like this after I wash my hair because, I mean, natural vibes, you know what I'm saying? And don't mind some of the parts because, like I said, I do need a trim. I'll be back with my clean hair, okay? Alright y'all, so today I'm gonna take you from this to this with the beads, y'all. Here I'm going to be using is 1 pack of this brand here for my Knotless braids. That's all you need is 4 packs for 4 sections. Is 1 pack. This was roughly like $6 or $5 to $6, and it gets you right.
Alright, so in this next clip, you're going to see me braiding my hair. I split my hair into 4 sections because it just makes it way easier, especially if you're a beginner and you don't know how to braid from just doing rows. 4 sections is the way to go. And then here I am doing my medium braids. I did do medium braids again, and this is just how I tie it. I wrap one of the ends of the braids around and just tie it in a knot around the whole braid.
My video, you guys have seen somewhat the process. Let me know below if you guys want a tutorial on how to do these styles, like knotless braids with the beads, medium knotless braids, any of that, and I could definitely like put that on here in my later coming up videos. But without further ado, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are aware of when I put out a video. That would be greatly appreciative. But don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye and happy holidays.